Okay, this is my Ego Mower blade removal video. As you can see, I've got a 9/16 wrench on the blade at this point in time. I tried a block of wood to wedge the blade. It didn't really work very well, so I got a towel, wrap it around the blade, try to remove it. It doesn't go. So I get another wrench, lock it into the first wrench like that, and try it again. No go. So that's where most people get stuck. What do? A torch. You heat the bolt, the head of the bolt, for 15 or 20 seconds. It doesn't take much, just enough to get that bolt hot. It extends the bolt a little bit. Then you try it again. Oh, look at that. I could have done that with one wrench. Huh. And there you have it. The blade is off. Installing the new blade, or after you're sharpening, I got a new blade because mine's been on there for like 4 years now. It had never been taken off. Wow. They wrap these things good. Hold on 1 minute while I get this thing open. Okay, I'm back now. When installing the new blade, it says this side facing the grass. You put it on. The washer has a little flat spot in it. You match that up on the shaft. Put that on. Install the bolt. And tighten. And that's it. That's the mower blade swap. Thanks for watching the video.